In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze panes in Smartsheet. If you've ever been working in a Smartsheet and noticed that certain columns stay locked in place while you scroll, that means those columns are frozen. Freezing can be really helpful for keeping headers or key reference columns visible, but sometimes you'll want to turn that off so you can scroll freely across your entire sheet. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to unfreeze those panes and get your full grid view back. First, open your Smartsheet in the grid view where the columns are currently frozen. Make sure you're looking at the sheet itself and not a report or dashboard, because the option we need appears directly in the column area of the grid. Next, move your mouse to the column header area at the top of the sheet. This is the row where you see the column names like task name, start date, or assigned to. Locate any of the frozen columns. You'll usually notice a slightly thicker divider line after the last frozen column, which separates it from the rest of the sheet. Now, you have two simple ways to access the unfreeze option. One way is to right-click directly on the header of a frozen column. Just hover your cursor over the column name, then right-click. This will open a context menu with several options related to that column. If you're on a device where right-clicking is tricky, or you prefer using on-screen menus, look for the small three-dot icon in the column header. This icon often appears when you hover over the header. Click on those three dots to open the same context menu you would see with a right click. In that menu, look for the option that says Unfreeze Column. This label might appear alongside other options like Insert, Delete, or Rename Column, so read the list carefully. Once you find Unfreeze Column, go ahead and click it. As soon as you click Unfreeze, the column will no longer stay locked in place when you scroll horizontally. You should now be able to move left and right through your sheet and see all columns scrolling together as one continuous grid. If you had multiple columns frozen,